The software development landscape is evolving. By 2026, developers must see AI as a crucial engineering component, not just chatbots. This guide highlights 3 pillars: prompt-based engineering, AI-assisted testing, and intelligent DevOps. 1. Prompt-based software engineering. Define clear prompts. Think of a prompt as a function call with natural language instructions. Use the company STAR framework to create effective prompts. C. Context. Define the AI's role, e.g., senior backend engineer specializing in concurrency systems. O. Objective. Specify the task clearly. S. Style. Choose the coding style, e.g., PAP8, prioritize readability. T. Tone. Decide the tone, e.g., professional. A. Audience. Identify who will read it, e.g., junior developers. R. Response. Specify the format, e.g., JSON, or code block. For example, an engineered prompt for a FastAPI endpoint might include specific context, objectives, constraints, and format. 2. AI-assisted testing. The shift from manual scripts to self-healing bots addresses brittle test suites. In 2025, tools will enable tests that adapt to changes. Key concepts. Visual regression. Identifies layout bugs AI might miss. Self-healing. Adjusts selectors dynamically without failing builds. Implementing AI testing strategy. Select AI tools like Applitools or Testum. Record user flows to capture happy path. Define assertions with AI-based checks. Simulate UI changes and review adjustments made by AI. 3. AI in C, CD and DevOps. Transition from reactive to predictive processes. Utilize AI to forecast issues before they arise. Injecting AI into pipelines. Step 1. Use tools like CodeRabbit for pre-merge code reviews focusing on vulnerabilities. Step 2. Implement AI in log analysis for post-deploy evaluations. Capture recent build log lines and analyze root causes via AI. Step 3. Use observability tools for predictive scaling. Set alerts based on anomaly scores instead of static levels. Summary checklist. Refine prompts with company STAR. Audit tests for self-healing capabilities. Automate debugging using LLM in C. For comprehensive C/CD setup guidance, refer to the full guide.